If you have decided to become a freelancer and you've chose Upwork to start your freelancing career on, then this video is just for you. I'm a top rated freelancer on Upwork and I've earned more than $20,000 on the platform, so on this video I will guide you step by step on how to start your freelancer career on Upwork. Stay around until the end of this video because at the end I will reveal a strategy that will help you to boost your profile on Upwork and also win more projects as a freelancer on Upwork. The first step to become a freelancer on Upwork is to actually create an account on Upwork. So navigate to Upwork's website, create your account, and be aware that Upwork might ask you to verify your identity. And the verification process usually takes about 24 hours. Once you have created your Upwork profile, it's time to actually optimize your Upwork profile for best results. So the second step of this video is Upwork profile optimization. Once you send a proposal to potential clients on Upwork, your profile picture and the title is the very first things that clients see. So it plays a very major and crucial role for you to get hired or not. First of all, make sure to upload a high quality profile picture that shows your professionalism. Your profile picture must be high quality, well lit, and also clearly showing your face because the Upwork profile picture is very small, so you want to definitely make your face very visible and also be smiling. Next, when it comes to your title, make sure to write a compelling title that clearly highlights your experience, expertise, and what sets you apart from other freelancers on the platform. Don't forget to use relevant keywords to make your profile more discoverable on search results. Now, the next piece of your Upwork profile is the description. Make sure to keep your description short. Clients on Upwork receive plus 50 proposals on a job and they don't have the time to go through long descriptions. So keep your profile description short, about 200 words, make it easy to understand by using sections or emojis, and also make sure that it's grammatically correct and error-free. You can use Grammarly for this purpose. Additionally, focus on what benefits client will get from working with you. I know it's important to talk about you, however, clients on Upwork, they are more interested to know what can they achieve from working with you. So what value, what experience, or what expertise can you bring to their projects that make their work easier, help them to achieve their goals and meet their requirements. Same as your title, don't forget to include relevant keywords in your description so you make your profile more discoverable on search results. The next step of your Upwork profile optimization is your skills. Upwork allows you to select the skills that you offer as a freelancer. So if you're a web designer, you can select skills such as WordPress, Wix, search engines optimizations, and so on. Be strategic in choosing your skills and choose those skills that align with your expertise and your target market. This will eventually help you to get found by clients easier and also raises the chances of you getting hired. Now that you know how to optimize your profile picture, title, and description, it's time to talk about your portfolio. A strong portfolio is really essential on Upwork. Once a client searches for a skill or freelancer on Upwork, they see the title, profile picture, and the last item of your portfolio. For your portfolio, make sure to use high quality thumbnails, import videos, add documents, case studies, and also don't forget to add relevant keywords and skills to your portfolio so it makes your chance of getting discovered on the search results. Now, if you're just starting out as a freelancer and you don't have previous portfolio from previous projects to show on Upwork, you can start creating samples of your work or collaborating with others to create a portfolio. The next step of your profile optimization is to achieve 100% profile completeness. Upwork considers various factors such as employment history, education, languages, and portfolio to measure the completeness of your Upwork profile. By providing comprehensive and accurate information in these sections, you demonstrate professionalism and build trust with potential clients. For example, including the languages you speak not only opens up opportunities for clients who require bilingual freelancers, but also adds credibility to your profile. Having a complete profile sends a strong message to clients that you are serious about your freelancing career and are willing to invest time in presenting yourself professionally. By achieving 100% profile completeness on Upwork, you increase your visibility in search results and the potential to get shortlisted on Upwork projects. Achieving 100% profile completeness on Upwork is a small step that can have a significant result on your success as a freelancer on Upwork. Now here is the bonus of this video that I promised early on. As you start your freelancing career on Upwork, one of the potential barriers that you may encounter on Upwork is the lack of having previous feedbacks or reviews from clients. Having no feedback or reviews from other clients can be a red flag for clients who are searching for freelancers with experience and a proven track record. But don't worry, there is a solution to address this challenge and also help you to build credibility just from the start. Upwork offers a powerful feature called testimonials that lets you to take testimonials and feedback from anyone outside the Upwork platform. You can request testimonials from anyone who has been satisfied with your work, such as collaborators, colleagues, friends, family, or even previous clients on other freelancing platforms. These testimonials will provide a solid foundation of credibility to your Upwork profile, even if those testimonials are not related to Upwork specific projects. Great, so now that you have created your account on Upwork, verified your identity, optimized your profile with title, profile picture, description, portfolio, and testimonials, you are just ready to send proposals on Upwork and get hired for potential projects. However, as we don't want this video to become too long, we are going to dedicate a specific video to the art of writing winning proposals. In the next video, we will be discovering tips, tricks, strategies, and techniques from an experienced freelancer on Upwork on how to write winning proposals that stand out from the competition. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos about freelancing, Upwork, online businesses, and earning money online. If you have any questions or if there is a specific topic that you would like me to cover, make sure to write it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy freelancing.